Okay, the next one. The next one here is the crown. This one we don't build up any fondant or anything underneath. We're just going to roll this out and cut it with the cutter. And then do some work on it while the fondant is still soft. Okay. Place that on there. Nice cut. Alright, take this, flip it over, little water on the back. Now we've been using water. You can also use shortening to attach these. Some people use piping gel. I don't like the piping gel because it tends to be a little sticky and kind of ooze out sometimes. Place that on there, dry my hands, pop that down and just kind of smooth out those edges a little bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take this veining tool, and I'm just going to, what I do here is just make a little line kind of up the center here, straight up, kind of over here, this way, one kind of in the middle here, and one here. Okay, then make the little marks where the pearls are going to go, here, here, here. Sometimes it's easier to do this one than the end one, and then I guess there's two more there. It's easier to space those out. Okay, then I want to take the cotton candy again, dust, and dust the tips. Okay, like so. Then if I take a little of the royal icing, first what I want to do is kind of make a line. This is where the sanding sugar is going to go down in that area. So if I take some white royal, pop it on there, but then take my brush with the water and kind of spread that out. Okay, and then I can take my sanding sugar here. And if you have this on some kind of a piece of parchment paper so you can use what, falls off, that works well. And then push that on. Okay, then the last thing is putting the pearls in. You can either use the royal icing, a dot of royal icing in there. I'm just going to use water. You can also, if you can't find the sugar pearls, you can just pipe dots of royal icing in there. Once I put them on there, I just kind of push in just a little bit to secure them. And there you go. Pretty easy.